Hello children. Before starting the lesson, let me ask you a question. Whom do you love a lot in this world? Yes, obviously it is your parents. If you ask me the same question, I'll also give the same answer. My parents. I love my parents. Along with them, I love my family and my country also. In which country are we living? We are living in the country India. And today our lesson is I love my India. In this lesson, we are having these topics, children, that is size, population, boundaries, states of India. The next one is government. In that we are having two types of government, that is central government, state government. Next one, union territories. Today we are going to learn only about size, population, boundaries, states of India. In the previous lesson, you learnt about continents. There are 7 continents. What is a continent? Continent is a large area of land. And today, I'll show you continents. See children, these are the 7 continents. And here you can see our country, India. You can see our country, India. And India is located in the continent of Asia. India is located in the continent of Asia. That means India lies in Asia. India lies in Asia. India is a big country, children. Children, do you know there are 197 countries in the world? In all these countries, India is the 7th largest country. India is the 7th largest country. Area-wise, size-wise, it is the 7th largest country. Which is the first largest country? It is Russia. Russia is the first largest country. Coming to population. What is population? Population means number of people living in a country or a place is called population. Number of people living in a country or a place is called population. India is the second populated country. India is the second populated country. It has more than 120 crores of people. There are more than 120 crores of people in India. China is the first country in population. It is more than 140 crores. So, India is the second populated country. Next, boundaries. What is a boundary? Boundary is a divided line. It is a line which is dividing the countries or which is dividing the states, towns, villages and so on. So, it is a divided line. India shares its boundaries with many countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Now I'll show you the map, children. Along with this, Sri Lanka and Maldives are the neighboring island countries in Indian Ocean. They are the neighboring island countries in the Indian Ocean. Children, this is India map and you can see the outline of the India map, and this is the boundary of India. You can see countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. These are the neighboring countries of India. Coming down, you can see Sri Lanka and Maldives, which are the neighboring island countries of India, and they are in Indian Ocean. Maldives is below Lakshadweep Islands, children. This is about the boundaries of India. Now, India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west, and Himalayas in the north. Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west, and Himalayas in the north. India is surrounded by all these. And if you see the map properly, children, India has been divided into smaller parts called states. And India has 28 states. Until last year, there are 29 states. Jammu and Kashmir has been changed to 2 union territories. That is why now we are having 28 states in India. Every state has a capital. Here in the map, you can see red dots in each and every state. These red dots are the cities which are the capitals for that particular states. For example, we are living in the state of Telangana, and Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Telangana was formed on 2nd June 2014. Let me make it once again clear to you children that in our textbook it is given India has 29 states. It was until last year. Now India has 28 states. Children, please underline these words in page number 239 and 240 of your textbook. First one, population. Next, languages, boundaries, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Telangana. Please learn these words, children. In the next video, I will explain about central government.